Hi everyone, I just got this wireless doorbell. Let's check it out. This wireless doorbell is super easy to use. You just plug it into any outlet, and then you have the doorbell piece, which has a 3M piece of tape on it that you can stick to the wall, or it comes with the hardware so you can attach it to the wall. It can reach up to 1,000 feet away from the base that plugs into your house. It has 32 chimes with 4 different volume levels and an LED flashing light. It'd be perfect for a cabin, your house, garage. I've even taught my dog to use the doorbell when he wants to come in from outside. And then it gives me a little chime that he's standing at the door and ready to come in. If you think you can use this doorbell, you can find it on Amazon. Thanks for watching.